I am Dr. M. Tamil Shelvi, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The title is Sulphur Infiltrated Concrete. Sulphur infiltrated concrete is a recently developed technique. In this concrete, the porous materials like concrete with sulphur impregnation has shown great improvement in strength. Physical properties have been found to improve in water impermeability and resistance to corrosion have also been achieved. In the past, the use of sulphur as a binding material instead of cement. Sulphur is heated to bring it into molten condition, to which coarse and fine aggregates are poured and mixed together. On cooling, this mixture gave fairly good strength, exhibited acid resistance and also other chemical resistance. Recently, the use of sulphur was made to impregnate lean porous concrete to improve its strength and other useful properties considerably. So, there are two procedures are adopted. First, in procedure A, after 24 hours of moist curing, the specimen is dried in heating cabinet for 24 hours at 121 degrees Celsius. Then the dried specimens are placed in a container of molten sulphur at 125 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. The specimens are removed from the container, wiped clean of sulphur and cooled to room temperature for 1 hour and weighed to determine the weight of sulphur infiltrated concrete. In the procedure B, the dried concrete specimen is placed in an airtight container and subjected to vacuum pressure of 2 mm mercury for 2 hours. After removing the vacuum, the specimens are soaked in the molten sulphur at atmospheric pressure for another half an hour. The specimen is taken out, wiped clean and cooled to room temperature in about 1 hour. The specimen is weighed and the weight of sulphur impregnated concrete is determined. The specimens are made adapting procedure A and B are tested by compression and splitting tension test. It is seen that the compression strength of sulphur is infiltrated cubes and cylinders are enormously greater than the strength of plain moist cured specimen. It is found that when water cement ratio is 0.7 is adopted, an achievement of about 7-fold increase in strength of the test cube. When the procedure is B is adopted and 5-fold increase in strength when procedure A is adopted was obtained. So, when water cement ratio of 0.8 is adopted, procedure B gave about 10-fold increase in strength. Similarly, the sulphur infiltrated concrete showed more than 4 times increase in splitting tensile when the procedure B was adopted. The application of sulphur infiltrated concrete. The sulphur infiltration can be employed in the precast industry. This method of achieving high strength can be used in the manufacture of precast roofing elements, fencing posts, sewer pipes and railway sleepers. Sulphur infiltrated concrete should find considerable use in industrial situations where high corrosion resistance concrete is required. So, preliminary studies have indicated that sulphur infiltrated precast concrete unit is cheaper than commercial concrete. The technique are simple, effective and inexpensive. The tremendous strength gained in pressure application, where in immersion accompanied by evacuation may also offset the extra cost. Thank you.